his wires are touching them.
Hello guys, this Etronsec Solutions again. Um, Today we just installed a new Centurion D5 automatic gate machine, sliding one. So I'm going to present it to you now. So let's go.
All right, guys. So this sorry, I will carry this down. Hello, guys. So this is a Centurion. This is a Centurion D5 Smart. The dog is fucking worried. So yeah, Centurion D5 Smart, one of the best machines Centurion has ever made. So today, so that's it. So it comes with a 2 backup battery, making 24 volts, very strong and robust. So, this current gate is actually heavy, a bit hard to push, but I will show you how quick it rolls and move now. So first of all, I will show you the app that you can use to open your gate from the phone while in the house or around the perimeter. So it comes with an app which is called Centurion. It's called Cent 6 Pro. So this is the app. My focus is actually bad now, but I'll show that one to you later. So this is the app. Okay, so this is the app. This is how it opens. This is a current interface actually, but then I will show you how it connects at the first place. So let me go back. Let me close the app, then show you how it opens. So let me, yeah. So it's closed. So oh my god, how is this app, man? So let me just go to the menu. So this is the app, my 6 Pro. So it opens like this. You wait for a while, then it's a bit slow now. Okay, so it will come like this. At the first place, it will come like this. So it will display your machine and the serial number. So it will scan. It says scanning. So it will scan the machine. Then so it will scan the machine and display it says D5 and then display the serial number of the machine. So to connect, all you have to do is click on the D5. So it says connecting to operator. You wait for a while, sometimes 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Then it will load the interface for you. So checking for firmware updates. So in case there's any update, it will update by itself. Then you have your interface. So here you have overview, health, IO status. You have the trigger, pedestrian lock, and then keep open, and then the alarm. So your machine also alert you in case somebody is trying to tamper with it. And then on the downside of the screen you have home, remote, the 3 dots with the circle. That's where you go and do some settings and also disconnect your machine. The next one is the admin. So you will see whoever has access to your machine. And then the next one is the support. so in case you need any support from the manufacturer. So that's basically the first interface you get while you connect to your machine. So the button here, the TRG, is for trigger. So that button, anytime you press it, to trigger the gate. So should in case the gate is closed, it will open the gate. Should in case it's open already, to close it. And then anytime the gate is moving, you press it, it's supposed to stop the gate. So the next button we have is the PED, which is pedestrian. So you have somebody coming, walking in, so you don't have to press the pedestrian to open the gate. You start with 1 meter, you can increase it as well. So to open the gate a short distance for the person to just walk in, and then you can close it back. So the LCK is actually locked. So anytime you lock it, you click on it, it will lock the gate. So no remote, no phone can open it that time. So to disable it again, you just have to click the same thing, and it will go white. Then it's been disabled. So the next one is skip, and at the top you could see open. So what that means is anytime you press this and you've opened your gate, it will stay open, and no remote can close the gate, no phone can close the gate. So the gate will actually remain open. So that's good in case you are moving things in and out of the house. So just keep it open. So here, the downside, you have the theft alarm. So that's where you arm and then disarm the alarm. So in case somebody is trying to tamper with your gate with the alarm on, armed, it should notify you. So I will now press the buttons, and you will see the reactions, how it reacts. The phone reacts with the gate. It's actually quick, very quick, and immediate. So let's start with the trigger. So the machine actually comes with 2 remotes, so I'll show you those remotes now, and then try them too as well for you. So let me trigger the gate. So you press trigger to say send. See the gates. So let me trigger it again. So it's closed. So for the pedestrian too, you press the pedestrian, it will go some few meters and stop. So anytime you trigger it again, it will close as well. So coming to the lock, which is the LCK, anytime you press it, you see I'm pressing the trigger, but it says sent, but the gate is not opening. So you see, so if you lock your gate, no remote, no phone, nothing can open your gate. So let me disable that, then try the keep. So keep your gate open. So let me trigger it. So the gate is open. Then let's press trigger. So you see, now I'm pressing the trigger, nothing is working. So the gate will stay open until you press the keep and you disable it. So it should become white. Okay, so now let's trigger it again. So that's it. And then this is the alarm. So I've armed it. Let me disable it first. So the alarm is disabled. So let me now arm it. So it's now red, which shows it's armed. So anytime somebody is trying to tamper with the machine, so you see the alarm. I just keep the machine, then the alarm has started blowing already. So you have this notification telling you that there's something wrong with your gate. So you can deactivate it and everything will go normal. Yeah. So that's it. Then we have the remote too as well. Do you have the remote? I think I have one there. Let me check. So that's, yeah. So it comes with two remote control. So you can program the buttons for different stuffs. So in this case we program the blue, the white and the green for opening, stopping and closing, and then the red is for pedestrian. So let me, okay, so let me press the remote and see stop. So when you press it again, same way with the, so now the red is just pedestrian. So should you press the red one, should go small, then you can now close it again.